It's easy to get caught up in the hype. Social media is flooded with success stories of people making big money in the box truck business. They show you the profits, the trucks, and the lifestyle, but not the hard truths behind it. Here's the reality. Starting a box truck business isn't cheap. Let's break down the startup cost of a cargo van business in comparison to a box truck business to help give you a better understanding of the cost differences between the both of them. Let's say you managed to finance a box truck with little money down. You're excited, ready to go, but then reality starts to set in. You did some research and you realize that it's a possibility that loads can be inconsistent due to market downturn, seasonality, consumer buying behavior shifting, fuel prices can fluctuate, maintenance costs can pop up at any time unexpectedly, and now this dream of six figures starts to feel like a nightmare because you don't have enough working capital. This is where the cargo van comes into play. Starting smaller isn't just about finances, it's also about learning the ropes. A cargo van allows you to build experience, understand the industry, develop relationships, all at a fraction of the cost of starting a box truck business. Look at it like the training wheels for the box truck before you invest into the box truck without the understanding. All right, so with a cargo van, there's a few different things that you can do. I recommend starting with a dedicated route from a company like T-Force, Waco, AIT, or even Capstone. This way, this gives you something for sure Monday through Friday, dedicated first half of the day. From there, I would supplement my income with signing up for some of the gig apps like Roadie, Curry, and GoShare. This will help you supplement your income, give you a full day, and increase your earning potential. Now, let's measure some of the pros and the cons of the box truck business. Some of the pros are higher earning potential and more capacity, while some of the cons are higher risk and higher cost. Now, let's take a look at some of the pros and the cons of the cargo van business. Some of the pros are low startup costs, less risk, more flexibility, while some of the cons are lower capacity, less earning, and you're going to have to hustle a little bit harder. Now, I'm not here to crush your box truck dreams. I'm here to give you a reality check. If you've only got cargo van money, don't put yourself in a financial hole trying to skip steps. Build your foundation first. Master the cargo van business. Save up and scale when you're ready. Now, I started from a more humble beginning than a cargo van. I started with the 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche in the year 2010. It wasn't much, it wasn't glamorous, but the pickup truck was mine. It's what I had, and I utilized what I had. I started with jobs on Craigslist, doing small moves and deliveries, and I worked my way from there. It wasn't glamorous. By the end of that year, I was renting a 16-foot truck from Penske. Going into year 2, I was renting 3 16-foot trucks from Penske. By year 3, I got licensed. I bought my first box truck. And by year 4, I was at scale. I had a fleet of trucks. All right. I started with what I had, which was less than a cargo van. I learned the business at a fraction of the cost because the learning curve really didn't cost me because I was utilizing what I had, what I already owned, and I grew from there. Now, what the cargo van is going to allow for you to do is learn without the stress of huge payments. You should look at it and treat it like a mobile classroom. You should learn about customer expectations, efficient routing, and cost management. When I finally bought my first box truck, I was ready because I knew the ins and outs of the business. Think about it. In a cargo van, you're handling smaller, less complex loads. You're not tied to contracts that demand big upfront investments. Instead, you're building your skills and reputation. And when you're ready to move up to a box truck, you'll have the experience and the capital to do it the right way. Another thing to consider is maintenance. Cargo vans are less expensive to repair, and parts are often easier to find. Starting with a cargo van allows you to understand the importance of regular maintenance without the financial strain of a box truck breakdown. Let me put it this way. A box truck might look like the dream, but it can quickly become a financial nightmare if you're not prepared. A cargo van, on the other hand, is a more accessible and forgiving way to enter into the logistics business. Okay, so here's the breakdown. Start with what you can afford. build connections, and reinvest wisely. Scaling up isn't about rushing, it's about moving strategically. The logistics business is a marathon, it's not a sprint. So what's the takeaway? Dream big, but start small. Don't let social media rush your journey. Focus on building a sustainable business that fits your budget and your goals. Remember, it's not about how fast you start, but how strong you finish. All in all, you gotta look at this from a realistic point of view. If you have box truck dreams, but you only have cargo van money, then it's okay. Start with what you have. A lot of people come into this industry with box truck dreams and cargo van money, and they want to start up here, but they don't have the working capital. They got working capital down here. It's okay to start from humble beginnings. All right. If you have enough money to start a cargo van business, start there and work your way up to a box truck business. Starting with a cargo van business allows you to learn the industry for a fraction of the cost. The learning curve is going to be a lot cheaper. There's plenty of opportunities in the cargo van business. You have expedited, OTR. There's a lot of local opportunities. There's a lot of e-commerce opportunities. You could do dedicated curbside work from a 3PL, delivering parcel packages or office supplies or medical supplies. There's two-man opportunities for big and bulky with cargo vans, delivering fitness equipment, doing gym assembly equipment. There's a lot of opportunities. You can start a small moving business where you can focus on studios and dorms and piece by piece items. There's a lot of opportunities for cargo vans. I have people in my group that make an upwards of $500-$600 a day in a cargo van. I've known people that have started with cargo vans and scaled up to a box truck. Don't put yourself in a financial trick bag starting a business without giving yourself a fighting chance. And what gives you that fighting chance is working capital. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, I'm out. The people at Truck Stop done teamed up with the boy Mark the Mentor. Are you ready to take your trucking business to the next level? With Truck Stop Pro, you get access to the best load board in the game, giving you the tools to find higher paying loads and streamline your operation. And right now, you can try the Pro plan free for 30 days, a $159 value. Click the link in the description to claim your free Pro plan and start making smarter moves for your trucking business today.